Prince Eats, and today we're going to be cooking jerk chicken. Let's get into it. Okay, these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need thyme. You're going to need ground cayenne pepper. You're going to need garlic powder, jerk Jamaican hot and spicy sauce, and you're also going to need black pepper. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is wash the chicken and put it in a plastic bag like I've done. And then, once you do that, grab a spoon for measurements, and then you're gonna start pouring in all the seasoning. So first, we're gonna start off with cayenne pepper, and you're gonna wanna pour in about and then of course pour 2 more spoons. It should look like this. Once you pour three spoons of that in, you're gonna want to pour another two spoons of garlic powder in. Just put it on the spoon and then pour it in. Once you put 2 spoons of garlic powder, you're gonna want to put 2 spoons of black pepper. Then get your thyme and 2 spoons of thyme. So look like this. So look something like this before you pour it in, and then pour 2 spoonfuls of that. Once you've done that, you're gonna want to get your Jamaican jerk hot and spicy seasoning like this, and then put it on a spoon just so you don't spill all of it, and then pour it in. You're gonna want to put about half the bottle, so the bottle size is about that big. You're gonna want to put half the bottle. Until it looks about halfway, until the bottle looks about halfway, you're done for the first bag. So yeah, either you can just wait till it gets to halfway and keep pouring it, or you can just pour three or 4 spoonfuls in the bag, like I'm doing now. Once you poured all that in, you're gonna want to close it. Close the Ziploc bag. And then after you do that, once you've done that, you're gonna want to mix it around the bag. Okay, keep mixing it around. And it should look a little something like this. Almost.
This ain't it, Chief! That's what I would have told you!
And then just keep spreading it around, make sure the bag's completely closed. Keep spreading it around, and then once you see that it's completely spread around the bag, you're gonna want to put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. And once you've done that, it should look something like this. Then after you do that, you're gonna want to preheat your oven to 400 temperature and leave it there for
A few moments later.
This is what it should look like after you put it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 400 temperature.
Nice.
Okay, this is what it should look like after you've cooked it. You can eat it with biscuits and beans or corn, as I've done here. That's gonna be it, guys. That's how you cook jerk chicken. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down what you think I should cook next. And also click the bell for notifications.